Welcome to our guide on the best kitchen cabinet designs. Whether you're renovating your kitchen or building a new one, these cabinet styles will inspire you. In this video, we'll explore a variety of cabinet designs, from the timeless shaker style to the sleek and modern flat panel cabinets. You'll see how each design can transform your kitchen into a stylish and functional space. Stay tuned as we showcase the top kitchen cabinet trends and help you find the perfect style for your home. Let's dive in. Shaker-style cabinets are renowned for their clean lines and minimalist design. These cabinets feature recessed panel doors, offering a simple yet elegant look that fits perfectly in modern, transitional, and traditional kitchens. You'll often find shaker cabinets in a range of popular colors such as white, gray, navy, and natural wood finishes. Their versatility makes them a top choice for homeowners looking to achieve a timeless kitchen aesthetic. With their straightforward design and classic appeal, shaker-style cabinets remain a staple in kitchen design. Flat panel or slab cabinets offer a sleek and contemporary look. These cabinets are characterized by their smooth, flat surfaces with no frames or detailing, making them ideal for modern kitchens. Available in high gloss or matte finishes, flat panel cabinets come in a variety of bold colors and natural wood tones. This design emphasizes simplicity and functionality, creating a clean and uncluttered kitchen space. Whether you're aiming for a minimalist aesthetic or a bold, modern statement, flat panel cabinets provide the perfect backdrop. Glass front cabinets add an open, airy feel to any kitchen. These cabinets feature glass panels in the doors, allowing you to display your dishware and decorative items beautifully. They can complement any cabinet style, from traditional to modern, and are perfect for showcasing your favorite pieces while keeping them dust-free. Glass front cabinets also help to make smaller kitchens feel larger and more open. By incorporating glass front cabinets into your kitchen, you can create a bright, inviting space that combines style and practicality. Louvered cabinets are distinctive with their horizontal wooden slats, resembling window shutters. This design not only adds a unique visual appeal but also provides excellent ventilation, making it ideal for cabinets near heat or moisture sources. Perfect for coastal, tropical, and contemporary kitchen themes, louvered cabinets bring a touch of breezy, casual elegance to your space. Their design allows air to flow freely, which can be particularly beneficial in warmer climates. Incorporating louvered cabinets into your kitchen can create a relaxed, inviting atmosphere. Beadboard cabinets bring a cozy, cottage feel to your kitchen with their distinctive vertical plank design. These cabinets add texture and a casual, homey ambience, making them perfect for farmhouse and traditional kitchen styles. The vertical planks, or beads, create a charming, rustic look that can be painted or stained in various colors to match your kitchen decor. Beadboard cabinets are versatile and can be used throughout the kitchen or as an accent feature. By choosing beadboard cabinets, you can achieve a warm and inviting kitchen environment. Inset cabinets offer a classic and high-end look with doors and drawers that sit flush within the frame. This precise construction creates a smooth, streamlined appearance that exudes quality and craftsmanship. Often found in painted or stained wood finishes, inset cabinets can be customized to fit any kitchen style, from traditional to modern. Their seamless design provides a sophisticated and elegant touch to your kitchen. Opting for inset cabinets can enhance the overall aesthetic of your kitchen, giving it a refined and timeless appeal. Inset cabinets offer a classic and high-end look with doors and drawers that sit flush within the frame. This precise construction creates a smooth, streamlined appearance that exudes quality and craftsmanship. Often found in painted or stained wood finishes, inset cabinets can be customized to fit any kitchen style, from traditional to modern. Their seamless design provides a sophisticated and elegant touch to your kitchen. Opting for inset cabinets can enhance the overall aesthetic of your kitchen, giving it a refined and timeless appeal. Distressed cabinets add character and a vintage feel to your kitchen. This design features cabinets that have been intentionally aged or weathered, giving them a unique, rustic look that's perfect for farmhouse and vintage styles. The distressed finish can be achieved through various techniques, including sanding, painting, and staining, to create an authentic, worn appearance. These cabinets bring a sense of history and charm, making your kitchen feel warm and lived in. By incorporating distressed cabinets, you can add a touch of nostalgia and personality to your kitchen design. Custom-built cabinets are tailored to your specific needs and design preferences, offering limitless possibilities for your kitchen. Unlike standard cabinet options, these are designed to fit your exact dimensions and style requirements, allowing for a truly personalized look. From unique layouts to specialized storage solutions, custom cabinets can be crafted to suit any kitchen configuration and aesthetic. This flexibility ensures that every inch of your kitchen is used efficiently and effectively. Choosing custom-built cabinets allows you to achieve a one-of-a-kind kitchen that reflects your personal taste and maximizes functionality. Thank you for exploring these top kitchen cabinet designs with us. We hope these ideas have inspired you and helped you envision how different styles can transform your kitchen into a stylish and functional space. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more kitchen design tips and trends, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Don't forget to like, comment, and share your favorite cabinet design in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your kitchen renovation plans and any design questions you might have. See you in the next video.